Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can build and upgrade a study in Assassin's Creed Shadows, okay? Now, a study is one of the rooms that you can build in, your hideout, which is your base camp, and it's going to be very useful because for each level that you actually, upgrade your study to, you're going to get one extra scout, okay, which is very, very useful thing to do. Okay, and this is actually one of the first rooms that I recommend you upgrade and you build, okay? So first of all, just go to your map, look at your hideout as usual. Okay, it's here, it's this big icon, and just fast travel to it. Okay, and go inside your main house, which is this one here, and then just go to this table, click on E, and now you want to basically press space in order to build something, and then you just have to go to your main room section, which is this one here. And now we're just going to select this static here, okay? So we're just going to press space to select it. And now I'm going to place it whatever I want. It's going to be, let's say, I don't know, here, next to the forge, I think. So let's actually try to place it somewhere where it's not going to be very disturbing. Well, here we have to do, actually. Here we'll do. Okay. Now, I'm just going to place it here. And then I'm just going to go back and I'm going to also show you how you can upgrade it here, okay? And I think you should upgrade first thing, actually, okay? So just when you get it, you have to upgrade it here, okay? So click on upgrade, okay? And we're going to upgrade it to level 2 almost instantly, okay? So just press here, and if you have enough resources, you're going to be able to upgrade it, okay? Thank you so much, guys. That's it.